Hey everyone, today we're gonna be building a simple calculator in Python using the skills we learned in the past few episodes. So let's get started. You have to start by creating a new file and then think about it for a second. How does a calculator actually work? It gets the user input and then it calculates. So the first step is to get the user input. So we're gonna first up ask the user what does he want to do: division, multiplication, subtraction, addition, which are the kinds of math operations this calculator is going to do for them. We're going to go back to it later and we're going to upgrade it over the time and see how it ends up. For today, we're going to start by a simple user input. So we're going to start with action. This is just a variable name, don't worry. No, without the int. So input, what do you want to do? Division, D, multiplication, M, addition, A, and subtraction, and S. Now, how? Well, we will let it know what do we want to do. Now this is just stores D, M, A, or S in a variable. So next up we're gonna use if statements from last episode. So for example, if action equal to D, or action equal to D. Yes, I wrote capital and small because Python does not because Python differentiates between capital letters and small letters. That's why we wrote this part. Next up, we're gonna write the elif statement and the else statement. We're gonna do the same thing for multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So elif action equal M, or action equal to small letter M, elif action equal so A, or action equal A, elif action equal S, or action equal X, else. Now in the else statement right here, we're gonna write, like make it print unrecognized or something like that, like invalid operation or something. So for example, print Invalid operation. Try again. So, first off, what do you think we should do in action if it's division? So if it is division, think about it for a second. Alright, so we're gonna ask the user input for two values. In this case, it's gonna be x equal to, hold on a second, x equals to int input dividend and y equals to int input divisor. Next up, we will find the answer. So a and s equals to x divided by y. Hold on a second, let me check if it... I'm sorry, I'm bad at math terms, but you're getting the point. Let me check if dividend and divisor are the right for this equation, which is x over y. 1 second and I'll be back. Yep, that indeed was it. So either ways, we're gonna continue. Print the answer is, then comma, then a and s. We don't need the extra line, we're gonna go to the next one. So now we have multiplication. We're gonna have the same thing. X equals to int input enter multiple one. Sorry, I'm bad at math terms. I don't know what to call them. Last time I heard those math terms, I'm like, since 5th or 6th grade, now I'm in 11th grade. Yeah, that's a stupid thing. Either ways, I'm teaching you Python today, not math. And y equals to int input enter multiple, hold on a second, multiple 2. Answer equals to x asterisk y. Next up is addition. So x equal to int input enter number to add. Y equals int hold on input enter number to add. Why is it doing this? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I didn't close the second bracket. Either ways, answer. Hold on. Forgot to do print on the previous one. I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on with me today. Either ways, So answer equals to x plus y, and then paste that in here. So x equals int input enter the number to subtract from. Hold on, forgot to add. It just makes it easier for the user to add the semicolons and stuff, but yeah, you can totally do it without the semicolons and the spaces, as long as they are inside the quotation. Next up, we're gonna enter y equals to int input enter number to subtract. Next up, so x minus y, hold on, answer equals x minus y, and finally print the answer is answered. This is now a working Python calculator. Time to test it. So for example, let's say I want to multiply. Enter multiple 1. Let's say I'm measuring the floor size. I have 5 meters on one side and I have 10 meters on the other. So for example, the answer is gonna be 50. Yeah, I'm bad at doing math problems, but let's do something more complex. So let's say multiplication again. Actually, let's just put random numbers, 2, 4, 3, and let's open up the real calculator app. Calculator. Alright, so having it right here, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3 times. Let's say 88. This number, remember that. Going back to the calculator, which is times 88. 206,184, which is the same number in Python. Alright, let's attempt something else like addition. And this time we're gonna type A in capital letters. What numbers you want to add? So let's say 23 and 44. It is 67, so clear 23 plus 44. The answer indeed is 67. This is a really nice way to learn, to actually to put what you learned in Python in the last few episodes into some knowledge. And it's organized, as you can see. You know, once you finish with this, you shouldn't just delete the file. You should save it for later and look back at it in a few years and see what you have done. So this has been episode 4, I think, from the Python series. And goodbye. See you next time.